Are you looking for the best kids doctor kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best kids doctor kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Dreamy Accessories Pretend Play Toy Doctor's Kits. Every parent wants to give their children something a little more exclusive for their birthday. Well, if that's the case, this product will do just that for you. The kit provides a doctor's costume, which can be personalized as preferred. Thus, they may bear the name of your child. Besides, the material used for the coat costume is a combination of superior-grade cotton and polyester. To feel soothing on your child's skin, the cotton helps, while the polyester provides the necessary sturdiness. So, the coat does not easily wear out with use. The letters to customize the coat is provided in the kit, so you can do it all by yourself and run no risk of misspelling. At number 4. Library Doctor Kit. For those looking for a little more of an educational toy kit for their children, you can go for this doctor's kit. The library aims to create items that will stand the test of time. For that reason, unlike other brands, the stethoscope on this kit is not that easy to deform. The toughness of the item helps to maintain the shape of the product. The earplugs on the stethoscope of the kit have been intentionally given a larger arc. That way, your child will not be able to insert them even if they want it and injure themselves. Anyone of a maximum of 8 years old can play with this and even features realistic sounds plus effects. It's surely going to feel real when playing with it. At number 3. Melissa and Doug Doctor's Kit. If your little one tends to be afraid of all the doctor's appointments, this kit might be helpful to reduce their fear just a little bit. The kit comes as a set of as many as 25 different pieces your child can play with. With the various little equipment provided, the kit provides a realistic experience for your child. In order to keep track, the kit has provided activity cards in the set. Besides, the bag works as a storage unit, to keep all the little pieces together. So your child does not keep losing them. This will effectively reduce the screen time of your child, as they engage in hands-on activities. At number 2. JoJo's Kids Doctor Kit. This product provides the whole experience from going to the doctor, to sitting down for the appointments. You even get an exclusive doll with this kit, so that your child can pretend play as a doctor with this kit. If that was not impressive enough, the kit even includes a toy jaw. As a result, your child can even learn about dental care with better precision on this item. From dental drill to tooth hook, the kit includes it all. The kit allows your child to play 3 different roles, that of the doctor, the dentist, as well as the nurse with its abundant items in the package. The pieces have been intentionally designed to be large. Hence, you do not have to worry about any choking hazards. At number 1. Melon Toy Doctor Kit. This product combines fun with education, so your child can learn while playing with this kit. Most importantly, the carry case of this product is of the hard case kind. Therefore, as long as the little pieces are inside the case, the kit will resist any impacts, keeping the little pieces safe. More than that, the case is designed in the shape of a car with wheels, so it can attract the attention of your child. The product even remembers to make the addition of the essential mask required during operating, to complete the set. Lastly, the stethoscope has an LED present inside. This lights up, making it more interesting. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.